In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Google Finance. Navigating through your preferences online can sometimes feel like you're trying to find your way through a labyrinth. But don't worry, changing the language setting on Google Finance is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. First things first, head over to Google Finance. You can do this by entering .google.com/finance into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll notice the familiar Google Finance layout, teeming with financial news, stock market updates, and an array of financial tools. Upon reaching the Google Finance homepage, your next move is to sign into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will lead you to a page where you can select the account you wish to use. If you're already signed into Google on another service, such as Gmail, you might see your account listed here. Otherwise, you can enter your email to proceed. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to type in your password. Make sure you enter your password carefully to avoid any access issues. Following your successful authentication, click on Next to proceed to your account's main page. Now, this is where it gets a bit interesting. Once you are signed in, look towards the upper right corner of the Google Finance page for the Google Apps icon. It's a small grid of squares. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu with various Google services and options. In this menu, locate and select Account. This action will redirect you to your Google account's main settings page. It's a central hub where you can control various aspects of your Google services, including personal information, security settings, and, importantly for us, language preferences. After you navigate to your account page, look for Personal Info in the pane on the left or among the options displayed on your screen. Clicking Personal Info will take you to a page dedicated to your personal settings, where you can update your name, contact information, and other personal details. On the Personal Info page, scroll down until you find language listed under General Preferences for the web. This is the gateway to adjusting the language settings for your Google services, including Google Finance. When you click on language, you'll see your current language preference displayed alongside an edit icon, which usually resembles a pen or pencil. Click on this icon to modify your language settings. This action will open a search box where you can type in the name of your preferred language. Upon typing, a list of languages matching your search query will appear. Scroll through the options until you find your desired language, then click on it to select it. Making a selection will not automatically change your settings. You'll need to finalize your choice. To save your new language preference, locate and click the Save button. It might be situated towards the bottom or top right corner of the page, depending on your screen size and layout. Clicking Save will apply your new language settings across Google Finance and other Google services tied to your account. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language setting on Google Finance. It may seem like a few hoops to jump through, but each step ensures that your account remains secure while allowing you personalized control over your preferences. Remember, changing your language setting in Google Finance will also affect other Google services under the same account, creating a cohesive experience across the board. If ever you decide that you prefer to switch back or try a different language, just follow the steps outlined in this video again. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're refining your language skills or setting up your account in a language that's more comfortable for you, I hope this guide made the process as smooth as possible. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.